I'm thrilled to introduce you to the ultimate hyperlinked recipe book and planner, which is created in Google Sheets. Get ready for a culinary adventure like no other. This planner is designed to revolutionize the way you plan meals, organize your kitchen, and make your cooking experience a breeze. It's not just a recipe book, it's a cloud-based kitchen companion designed to make cooking a breeze for everyone in the family. In this video, we will show you step by step how to use this comprehensive planner, showing how to set up and use all its features. Get your template instantly. You will receive a PDF file that includes a link to this fantastic planner with over 80 pages of detailed instructions. Click download and create a copy. Rename your file. Let's kick things off with a closer look at the dashboard. This cloud-based planner can be accessed from anywhere, anytime. It's like having a kitchen genie at your fingertips. This is where you'll orchestrate your entire cooking experience, from choosing recipes to organizing your shopping lists and more. Let's dive in and explore the amazing features of this planner. From meal planning, shopping lists, to kitchen inventory, this tool has got you covered. The dashboard is your culinary command center. Here, you'll find a detailed index of our 11 culinary categories. You can customize these to fit your own cooking preferences. Before we begin, let me show you this feature. The top 3 rows and 2 columns on the dashboard is frozen. When you navigate side to side or up and down, these cells do not move. This feature is on all recipe category pages as well, making it easy to navigate. When you print, these frozen cells will also print on every page. Each category code and recipe code is hyperlinked for seamless navigation. With Google Sheets functionality, you can effortlessly jump between sections and recipes. Do not edit any hyperlinks. With Google Sheets' user-friendly interface, you can make this planner truly your own. Follow the detailed PDF file with graphics to set up and use your template. Remember, you only need to enter category names and recipe names once on the dashboard, and it will automatically update in all pages. The recipe cards are organized into categories with each category on a separate sheet. They're dynamic, interactive templates. There are 17 sheets in this template. All sheets can be accessed from the dashboard links or from tabs at the bottom. Tabs can be rearranged to your preference. Before we start entering recipes, let's set up other pages. Set up the ingredients page. This is the master list of all ingredients used in the kitchen. Enter photos, details, category, and where to find in the kitchen using drop-down menus. This list will be used to look up ingredients in the recipe cards and kitchen inventory tool. Next to the ingredient table is your tips and hints table. Next, let's navigate to drop-down tab. Have a browser to familiarize with the different tables. In various parts of the planner, we have used drop-down menus to make entry of information fast and easy. Title of these columns show which sheet you will find this list. Some information is pre-filled. You can enter additional items or change text inside these tables, and it will automatically show in your related drop-down video. For example, in the recipe cards action column, select the action name from drop-down list, and the icon will automatically show in the icon column. Now we can start entering the recipes. Navigate to any category tab. There are 11 categories. Each category has 100 recipes, which are hyperlinked. Total 1,100 recipes. In the tutorial, I have labeled 5 sections and described each section in detail. Section 1. This is 2 columns frozen to the left for easy navigation. Do not enter any information in this section. Recipe names will automatically upload when you enter them in the dashboard. Each card is numbered and linked to the codes in this section. Click on the link to quickly navigate to that recipe. In Section 2 and 3, top rows are automatically updated. Add photos, website, YouTube, or any link, tips and hints, and notes. In Photos, add photos of steps in the recipe example, How to Roll. Section 4. Use drop-down menus to select ingredients, quantities, measurements. The ingredient column dynamically pulls data from the ingredients list. By following these steps, you can swiftly and accurately input ingredients for your recipes, streamlining the cooking process. Section 5. Use drop-down lists in this section to select action. Example, chop or saute, and an icon automatically populate in the icon column, providing visual cues for each step. The ingredient list in the method section refers specifically to the recipe ingredient list. In the digital version of the recipe card, you can check off each step once completed. This provides a visual indicator of progress. The beautifully designed weekly meal planner provides a user-friendly and visually appealing platform for efficient meal planning. Its flexibility, customization options, and seamless category dish selection process make it a valuable tool for anyone looking to streamline their meal preparation process. Whether online or in print, this planner is tailored to meet a wide range of user preferences and needs. It's beautifully color-coded and lets you plan breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner for each day of the week. The dynamic calendar feature lets you choose your starting day, whether it's Monday or Sunday. Just double-click on First Date, select your start date from pop-up calendar, and watch as everything updates automatically. Selecting categories and dishes is a breeze with drop-down menus. They're linked to the dashboard categories, ensuring relevant options for your recipes. With 5 line options for each meal section, breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, users have the flexibility to plan a variety of meals for each day. The kitchen inventory and shopping lists are your ultimate kitchen assistants. This cloud-based functionality means your kitchen is organized and accessible no matter where you are. Keeping your kitchen stocked has never been more organized and fun. The kitchen inventory is divided into pantry, fridge, and freezer sections, making it easy to keep track of what you have and what you need. Simply add items to the list, and when you do your weekly inventory, just tick the check boxes. This will highlight the whole row, giving a visual of items checked. Creating a shopping list is a breeze. It's a smart, dynamic tool that ensures you never miss an ingredient. With 20 categories, you can create comprehensive lists tailored to your needs. Select your preferred grocery store from drop-down menu, enter your items, and in the digital version, just tick the checkboxes when you've purchased them. The row will highlight for easy tracking. And there you have it, our ultimate hyperlinked recipe book NAMP. Planner in all its culinary glory. Powered by Google Sheets, this planner is designed to simplify your cooking journey. Whether you prefer digital or print, this planner has you covered. Welcome to the culinary chaos, where every dish is an adventure. Now it's your turn to become the kitchen maestro you were born to be. Find this fantastic planner in my Etsy shop. The link is down below. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more planners.